For 2026, BMW elevates its iconic Sports Activity Coupe (SAC) to new heights with the latest iteration of the BMW X6, a bold fusion of coupe-inspired design, dynamic performance, and cutting-edge technology. As the pioneer of the SAC segment, the X6 has always represented a rebellious spirit within the BMW lineup, blending muscular proportions with an elegant fastback silhouette. The 2026 BMW X6 introduces a striking evolution of its signature coupe-like form, distinguished by more sculpted surfaces, bolder lines, and aerodynamic refinements. At the front, the updated kidney grille takes on a wider, frameless design with illuminated edges, a feature now standard on higher trims. Larger air intakes and a redesigned bumper further emphasize the X6's athletic stance. At the rear, the 2026 X6 features sleek, three-dimensional LED taillights connected by a darkened horizontal trim strip, visually widening the vehicle. A reworked rear diffuser and integrated exhaust outlets complete the sporty aesthetic, while aerodynamic optimizations reduce drag and enhance stability at higher speeds. The 2026 BMW X6 lineup offers an array of powertrains designed to satisfy diverse performance preferences while embracing electrification for improved efficiency and lower emissions. The entry point to the X6 family is powered by a refined 3.0-liter twin-power turbo inline-six engine featuring BMW's latest mild hybrid 48V technology. This setup delivers approximately 385 horsepower and 540 Nm of torque, providing brisk acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. The mild hybrid system assists with smoother start-stop transitions, regenerative braking, and additional torque under hard acceleration. Responding to growing demand for electrified options, BMW introduces a plug-in hybrid (HEV) variant of the X6, combining a six-cylinder petrol engine with a powerful electric motor. Total system output exceeds 480 horsepower, while an improved battery offers an all-electric driving range of approximately 80 km, WLTP, ideal for urban commuting with zero emissions. For enthusiasts craving peak performance, the range-topping X6M Competition will arrive later in 2026, boasting over 625 horsepower, track-tuned chassis components, and aggressive M-specific design elements. This high-performance model represents the ultimate expression of BMW's M engineering prowess in the SAC format. The 2026 BMW X6 builds upon its pioneering SAC heritage with sharper design, electrified powertrains, innovative technology. Its blend of coupe-inspired aesthetics, SUV practicality, and exhilarating performance ensures the X6 remains a standout in the premium segment.